Hello, my Sunil Ramakrishna. This is next protocol. So let's take one example. Assume that basically France sent the rain data basically that is going to reach after 1 month. Basically. So rain basically has to start basically at this particular time. So before 1 month basically, France group basically passes the data. Same way America basically, but the distance between America and Mumbai basically is different basically. France distance basically from France to Mumbai, that is different. Same way South Africa, Australia, West Indies. So this all countries basically gives the rain data to the Mumbai city. Why? Because natural item basically is processing in the land of these all countries. So one person told that yes, but here one person told that basically the sequence is how basically that one day basically France data will connect to Mumbai and rain falls basically. It's like that, or basically it's like that basically America basically connects with the Mumbai basically after a certain time, because it takes basically 1 month to send the data from France to Mumbai basically. So is this basically calculated like this? So one person goes that possibilities are very less basically, but possibilities are there also basically we can say. But most possibilities are entire basically countries data basically connects to Mumbai at one time only, and then only basically the rain falls. Why? Reason behind is the balancing of the land basically. The balancing of the land basically, which is, for example, 1% of this side basically buildings are producing the natural item basically in USA land. That west side basically buildings basically are producing uh, natural item basically in South Africa. That east side basically data basically of the buildings basically are producing human needs basically in Australia basically. So like this is the balancing basically. So one person told that possibilities basically are less also and more also basically. How the system basically is created basically. That depends upon the system creator basically, who actually really basically created the raining system basically. So next video.